1. My father wears dhoti and kurta daily, but he a white suit today. 2. She in her bed now. 3. The sun behind the clouds now. 4. Suresh, a lot these days. 5. The education minister, this place next week. 6. She clothes at this time. 7. My younger brothers, a factory these days. 8. Look there, they towards us. 9. My mother, food at this moment. 10. Yes, the match. On and you can watch it on any TV. 11. It being Makar Sankranti today, a great number of kites in the sky. 12. The motor driver. The horn for no reason. 13. Today's young generation. Inspiration from the books. 14. His wounds. Rapidly